Message for this special apparition for the 15th of December of 2016, received in Petaluma, California, USA, transmitted by Mary, Rose of Peace, to the visionary Sister Lucia de Jesus. My beloved children, I am the Queen of heaven and of earth, the mother of each creature that lives and animates the universes. I am your holy celestial mother. I am the same one that stopped wars with the marriage generated by the purity and simplicity of 3 shepherds. I am the same one that united peoples and cultures through the trust of a beloved Indian in a dear nation that dedicated its life and the following centuries to me. I am the same one that in the East warns souls so that they may repair the heart of God through communion with my Son. I am the same one that in Medjugorje guides hearts into discovering peace. I am the same one that, as a white buffalo, manifested the eyes of those who in this way could understand me, so that they too could live peace and communion with all life, with all creation. I am the one who warns you, but also gives you refuge. I am the one who tells you the truth that you do not want to hear and shows you what you do not want to see, because the time has come to take new steps in the transformation of the spirit and of the consciousness. But I do not only bring you warnings, I also show you the path to salvation, and day by day teach you to find Christ, and through him all the truth about higher life. I come to remove you from the illusion of this world, because many are blind of heart, deaf of spirit, and incapable of freeing their own souls from the abysses of materialism and of human perdition. I come to open up a new horizon for you, so that all of my children may receive an opportunity of awakening. I have come to transform the cradle of darkness into a new nativity of Bethlehem, and to take back for my Son the reign that belongs to him and not to worldly forces. I am here, children, to prepare the path of Christ, because his light and mercy will descend over each particle of life and will try to awaken sleeping souls to the truth. I do not come to lead you to a religion, neither new nor old. I come to awaken you to the now, to the higher life that transcends any doctrine. I come so that you may discover the true expression of the word unity, which you carry in the name of this nation. I come to have this word be alive in the life of all those who say yes to me. It is possible to transform the retrograde human condition in which you live, believing that it is called progress and comfort. Children, many are dying in spirit and do not see. Where is your mind? In what are your thoughts, aspirations, and intentions involved? Do you by any chance think about God every day and ask yourselves and ask him what his will is for this planet and for humanity? I come here to remove you from ignorance and from your excessive care of yourselves. I want to remove you from egotism as a nation and as humanity, so that you may perceive that millions of my children in many nations of this planet are suffering and in distress, so that a few may live the comfort and the egotism that their blind eyes seek incessantly. Beloved children, it is because I love you and because you are my children that I tell you these things. Many come here seeking a better life and become confused with the deep illusion that this world offers, forgetting that the true mission of this nation is to reestablish peace in the world, because it has human powers for that. The unity that it carries in the name should be a living attribute that would unite all the nations through the spirit of fraternity, of understanding, and of service to those most in need. Enough of exploiting and making use of what does not belong to you, children, while many suffer the consequences of those unbridled actions. I come here to teach you about the power of prayer, which transforms the consciousness and human life. I come here to ask you to unite with me in your heart, that you ask for the help of my Son, so that his forgiveness may descend over the earth and convert what is dark, so that you may not only live peace, but also establish it in this world. As your mother and Queen of Peace, I ask you, my children, cry out for the mercy of my Son, so that he may come and give you the grace of a definite awakening, may open your eyes to the true light of the infinite, and guides you to the triumph of the divine plan for this planet, because the moment has come for this life and for this earth to become sacred. I love you and I bless you, so that you may hear me and understand what I tell you. May the peace of my Son flow over you and transform you forever. I thank you for being with me today. Your Mother Mary, Rose of Peace.